is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me.
Hey guys, it's Sandy. So for today's video, I'm doing my everyday high school makeup routine, and I'm going to be a freshman this year. So I decided, why not make a video of the makeup I'm going to be doing for school. I really don't want to go back to school. Like, literally summer went by so fast, and I only have like 3 weeks left of summer. So I have a makeup Instagram. If you guys didn't know, I'll link it down below, or it'll be on the screen somewhere. You guys can go follow that. I do a lot of mini videos of the videos that I post on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to go follow me, you can. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, to start, put on lip balm. So I'm just using my Burt's Bees lip balm, and I love this lip balm. So for primer, I'm using my Benefit Professional Primer. I don't use this every day. I only like using it like if I'm filming a video or if I feel like using primer, because I feel like sometimes primer gets very thick on my face, and I know it's supposed to like conceal pores and all that stuff, but I feel like, I don't know if it does that. I don't know if I believe that it does that. So I'm just using my fingers to rub it into my face. Okay, so now I'm using my Maybelline Dream BB Cream, and this is in the shade 120, and I'm excited to use this because I haven't used it in a while, and mainly what I've been doing is just using concealer and then a powder, but especially since I'm going into high school now, I want to use something that's a little more coverage than just concealer. And sometimes I do use foundation, like in some of the makeup tutorials I've done, I use foundation, but those are only like for days that I'm filming or if I'm going out for a special event. And I'm just using my sponge to apply it. So I moved the lens so that you guys could see a little better. Now moving on to concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the number 20, and it's the color Sand. And I'm just applying this wherever I have blemishes or anything I want to cover up. Okay, so now I'm just blending in my concealer with my sponge again. So to set my face, I'm using, again, my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and I'm just using a big powder brush to put on the powder. And I apply this pretty much everywhere I put concealer and all over my T-zone so that my face doesn't get as oily, because I have super oily skin. So now moving on to brows, I'm using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I use the number 1. Okay, so before I fill them in, I like using the spoolie first to comb out my brows. So I just like pulling them up and then sideways. Okay, so I use the shade 1, and I just like following the natural line of my brows. Okay, so now that I'm done filling in my eyebrows, to finish them, I'm going to set them with my CoverGirl Professional Natural Lash Clear Mascara. Okay, so now moving on to bronzer, I'm using my e.l.f. Total Face Palette, and this palette has 1 bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlighter. So I'm just using this brush to pat it on. Especially for school, I don't like contouring or anything, I just like bronzing my face up a little bit. So I just put a little bit in my cheekbone. So I just like putting it on my forehead, my cheekbone, jawline. So for blush, I'm using one of the blushes that comes in the palette. I'm using this blush. Okay, so now moving on to highlighter. I like using my ColourPop highlighter, and this is in the shade Lunch Money. So I like applying my highlighter with this concealer brush because I like the shape of it. Okay, so now I'm just going to curl my lashes before I put on mascara. So now for mascara, I like using my Benefit They're Real mascara. So now that I'm done with everything on my face, I'm just going to use a setting spray to make sure that my makeup stays on all day. I'm using my NYX Matte Finishing Spray. I always put on lip gloss when I'm done doing my makeup because I love lip gloss. And this is a Too Faced Melted Latex Lip Gloss. And that's all for the makeup look. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you like my videos and you want to see more videos like this. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.